Ever wanted to create professional-looking videos without a camera, mic, or even a studio? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create stunning AI videos using Synthesia IO step by step. And stay tuned till the end. I'll also show you a Heygen trick that can take your AI video to the next level. Synthesia is a text-to-video platform that lets you create videos just by typing your script. It uses AI avatars and realistic voiceovers, perfect for YouTube, tutorials, business presentations, or social media content. No need for cameras, actors, or expensive editing software. Just type, generate, and download. All right, let's jump in. Step 1. Go to synthesia.io and create your free account. Step 2. Once you're in the dashboard, click Create Video. Here, you can choose from ready-made templates or start from scratch. For this tutorial, I'll start with a blank video so you can see every step clearly. On the left, you'll see a text box. This is where you paste or type your script. For example, I'll type a short intro. Welcome to MendIt Tech. Today we're exploring how to create your first AI video using Synthesia. Now select your AI avatar. You can pick from dozens of realistic human presenters. If you want, you can even upload your own avatar, but that's a paid feature. Next, choose the voice and language. Synthesia offers over 120 languages and accents. You can also control the tone, like friendly, formal, or energetic. For example, I'm choosing an English US male voice with an energetic tone. Perfect for tutorials. Now it's time to make your video look great. Add text overlays, background images, or upload your own footage. You can even add music and transitions. Think of this like editing in Canva. Drag, drop, adjust. It's that simple. When everything looks good, click Generate Video at the top right. It'll take a few minutes. Then your video is ready to preview and download in HD. And just like that, you've created a professional video. No camera, no editing headache. Now, if you want to go even further, try combining Heygen with Synthesia. Here's how. Use Synthesia to generate your base video with your script and avatar. Then import that video into Heygen. In Heygen, you can add more natural face tracking or expressions. Clone your own voice for free. Add camera movement for a more cinematic look. And that's it. You just learned how to create your own AI videos using Synthesia.io, plus a Heygen bonus to make it look next level. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit like, subscribe to MendIt Tech, and comment below if you want a full Heygen tutorial next.